Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting unboxing. It's very exciting for me because I can hardly find this particular company anywhere in Australia, and if I do, they stock none of these things. Otherwise I would have had them already because I just think these things are so cute. So this is my order from Pretty Pink Posh. They had a sale on. This did not come under any of my crafting budgets. I went a bit bananas with this. It's going to take me a long time to recover from this particular order. It took a few weeks to get here. The shipping was very expensive. So it's not a place that I can shop from frequently. This is the first time I have purchased from them. So the shipping cost me $70 Australian, so that's not very budget friendly at all. But there are quite a few things in here, and I did get some freebies for the size of my order, which is nice. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Okie dokie, so unwrapping everything, this is what we have. So I've got a cute little note here, and these were my freebies. So let's have a look at them first. I can't remember how much you had to spend to get these freebies, if it was 60 US or more, maybe it was 100 US, I'm not sure. But I know that I most definitely spent that stocking up on these things. So I've got some cute little star sprinkles. That is a very cute color mix. I got this adorable little birthday stamp. How cute is that? These little hedgehogs are adorable. Very cute. And I got a Celebrate script die, which is really nice because I don't have this word and I don't really have many word dies like this. So that's very cute. So those were my freebies. So thank you very much, Pretty Pink Posh, for that. Okay, so let's have a look at what else I got. These were a little bit random, but my son has a bit of an obsession with toucans. When he was younger, he actually had an imaginary friend called Table Toucan. Table because it was the first thing he saw when we asked him what his toucan friend's name was. 2-year-olds are very funny. So I couldn't help but get this. It just reminded me of when he was little, and I thought it would make some really cute bright cards. This little stamp set was on sale, and I just feel like the sentiments in this one are super sweet. I've got a few people in mind that I can send cards with these sentiments to. Now, the stamps that look like this, these were the main reason that I had to get this order while they had a sale on. I just think that these are so cutely designed. I absolutely love their style. And I just love those words made up with all those little images. They are very, very cute. So you'll see a couple of different themes with this kind of stamp. Very, very cute. These borders were adorable and they matched, so I just had to get them. They're really cute. I can imagine these stamped with embossing powder and maybe all gold embossed on some coloured cardstock. They would just look really pretty. I just think they are so cute. Here's another Valentine's Day one. I know Valentine's Day is coming up soon and it will be over before we know it, but I can always use these in the future and I can pair them with a lot of other stamp sets that I have. I think it's amazing that you can use the outline of the wreath or you can fill it in with that piece. I think that's just really clever. Just makes the whole stamp set a little bit more versatile. Now here are some winter borders. These are so cute. Those snowflakes are adorable. I can imagine embossing them with white embossing powder, maybe on some navy blue backgrounds. Very, very cute. That, and I actually love colouring in little images like this, so to me this just looks like a lot of fun to play with. I got the Christmas, or the winter wreath as well. I love all these little extra bits that they give you. It's great for layering and making some little feature spots on the wreath. Really, really pretty. This is a die set that I really don't have anything quite like it. I really love the leaves. I've got quite a few jungle stamp sets and monkey stamp sets that can be paired with these. So I thought they'll actually be quite well used. Just a clever set. Very cute. So here's another one of those sets with the word. This one is baby. And while I'm done having babies, I have lots of friends who are having more, and lots of baby cards are always requested of me. So I think this one is going to be absolutely perfect. I actually have one I need to make for my mum ASAP because someone that she knows has just had a little boy. So I can't wait to get using this one. Just adorable. Oh, as if I could go past this one with my obsession with Halloween. I love this stamp set. That is so cute. The little lollies, the little witches' hats. Oh my gosh, that is probably one of the cutest stamps I've ever seen. And again, with all these little extra bits, they can make such cute backgrounds. I just can't wait to use this. Okay, the next one is fall borders, and I just really loved it. While we don't really do much for fall, celebrate fall, we don't have a big event in our autumn here, I don't think. Kind of Easter is when our weather starts to cool down, but nothing quite like it is in other countries. But I did think that some of these would match my little squirrel sets really well with the acorns in there. And the leaves, you can really use them for any season. Plus the pumpkins are perfect for Halloween borders as well. Very cute. And the last one I have here is Joy, and it's another one of these. I just cannot get over them. They're so cute. So I'm really excited to use them. So that is what I got from Pretty Pink Posh. Like I said, it was a little bit of a splurge. Treated myself big time with this one. Going to have to be very stingy with the rest of my craft purchases for the year. But these are just so gorgeous, and I can use so many of these for so many different things. Anniversaries for the loved ones. I can use winter ones for our winter, not just Christmas because it's summer here in Christmas. There's just lots of things I can do with these. These can be used all year round. So I'm going to make sure I put them to good use to justify my ridiculously large purchase. I can't wait to get using these. Such a cute little family-run company. They're absolutely gorgeous. So be sure to stick around on my channel and look out for what I come up with these adorable sets. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.